How to share a photo with a QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share a photo with a QR code. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to open up your browser. Once in the browser, you need to go ahead and in the search bar, you need to type Google Drive. Once you're in the Google Drive, you need to create a new folder that says Photos. So you need to simply go ahead and click on New. From here, you need to click on New Folder. Let's name the folder Photos and then you need to click on Create. Once you have done that, you can see that new folder has been created that says Photos. Then you need to simply go ahead and from here you need to simply go click on File Upload and you can add any picture that you want over here. Now, once you have done that, you need to simply click on the photos over here and from the drop down that appears, you need to click on share or you need to simply click on copy link. Now that the link of your folder has been copied, you need to simply go to new tab and here in the search bar, you need to type QR code generator. Then you can click the first link that appear over here. Now you need to simply paste the link that you have made before and here you can see that the QR code has been designed by the website itself. You can change it if you want and once you are satisfied with it, you need to simply click on download. Once you have downloaded it, you can send it to your friends who you want to have access to your photos and that's it. You now know how to share photo with a QR code. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.